Just covering a couple of blush colors. This is our Super Fuchsia. Let's take a nice little swatch of this. Right? And so this is a really hot pink, but it can look really nice, especially if you like bold colors. Then let's take a look at Miami. I actually currently have Miami on for the day. That's one of my favorites. And it's got like a little bit of a peachish mango color tone to it. And so I'll swatch that out. This is more of the Miami color, more of a peachish mango kind of look. Let's see. I have my own makeup bag here, and then I have to remember we already did the mascara. It's like I gotta take my mascara, not mix it in with all of our other stuff. We didn't do our shimmer spray, which is so fun for summer. And so I love a little shimmer. I just put a little bit on my hands. Well, this is not gonna work. This happens every time I do a live. I get so many swatches all over me. But here's the wild part. My hand is like sparkling because I put that on. And so what we want to do is get a little bit of more of this. And so even this, again, our products always it has like a little castor oil on it. And so you can see how the shimmer spray looks. It has castor oil, it has nutrients. It's really good for you, we hope, or like to think, in some realm. I feel like I like this side part, but I'm not even in love with it. That happens. Then we have, again, this is our Satisfy blush. Let's take a little swatch on this. I'm actually going to put it in here in my palm. And so this is a swatch of our Satisfy blush. Let us know if you have any questions, guys. And so it's fun because we got to do a lot of blush swatches. This was our pink mango. Nice. I was looking for this. And so this is probably a little bit, it's not a hot pink like the fuchsia, right? And so this is a hot pink like our Super Fuchsia. This is more straight up pink, right? And that's what you're going to get with the pink mango. But even then, it's not all the way pink. It has a few other like tones in it. Still a little bit more of that peachy, orangey tone to it. Let us know, guys, if you have any questions. We love questions. This is our Beauty in the City lip oil. We have our lip oils in, I love this mocha color. And then we have our lip oil in the plum as well. I've already swatched. See, my hand is all glittery because I swatched our Millennium glitter. But let me swatch it again. Just so you guys can see, this is our Millennium glitter stick here. And you can use this a lot of places. It doesn't end up stacking as much. You blend it out. And so when you blend it out, and it can mix with color, as you see, like how it's mixing with the blush. You can use it on your lips. You can use it on your eyes. I have it on my brow, and then I have a little bit here and on my nose. And so there's a lot of places that you can use that. I don't know. I mean, I think that there's so many great things we can do with Beauty in the City products. And the great thing is you can use them in multiple places on the face. Are there trends that you can use the makeup for? Sure. You guys let us know. Are there trend things that you want to talk about? Do you guys want to do like a little trend report or something like that? Let's do a haul. We did the Beauty in the City vitamin C toner. This is something you can easily use when you are, after you wash your face, and it's going to give you moisture. It's going to give you vitamin C. It actually uses grapefruit peel and lemon peel, and it's so great if you have fine lines, if you're looking to exfoliate the skin. And toners in general, our toners are moisturizing, and so this is a great one. We have the pomegranate toner, which is great for if you had acne, if you have oily skin, this calms the skin, or red skin. It has the chamomile as well as the rose water in it, in addition to the pomegranate. Then we also, we have our tea mist toner. This one is a nice one because it's moisturizing. It has green tea and white tea and B vitamins in it. And so a lot of our products that are on the skincare side feed your skin nutrients. And then you're going to get our lash and brow serum, which grows your lashes. It's good for your brows. It has proteins and peptides in it, right? And so all of our products have nutrients, and then they're vegan. In addition to that, they're paraben free and cruelty-free, gluten-free, nut-free. Here's something. This is our sleep mask. Now, why pay attention to sleep mask? This is a plumper for the skin. It's instant moisture. Do you have dry skin? This will heal your skin overnight in one use. We get emails from customers on this. This is great for dry skin. It smells delicious. This one drop will do your whole face. As you see, it's just slinking down my hand because it's so full of moisture. It has lavender. It has niacinamide, which is really good for the skin barrier. It heals it. And it also does some minor exfoliation, niacinamide, but this is such a big moisture builder. And what the thing is, again, when we talk about 2-minute vegan glam, when we talk about 2 or 3 minutes in the morning or at night, you want things that are going to have a big impact in your routine. This guy, it's a game changer. I love it. So we've covered a tremendous amount of stuff. I'm going to just show you that one drop will do so much. It does your whole face and neck, and you just see that one drop, and it's all over my my swatch. But that's life, right? And so I try to eat green. I have to have enough water. I have my Epic water filter that I got from the Oasis app. I'm trying to do something we don't know these people, but I'm trying to get better water. And so if I find cool things, I just try to share it. What else do I think? We've covered a ton of products. I mean, we've covered our bronzer. I'll swatch that out for you. The thing with our bronzer is just this one little drop will do your face. I've used it in the contour. I use it sometimes on my eyelids as shadow. And so it's so easy and fun to use. I would say just go ahead, try a little bit of it. Try some samples. We sometimes sample them out and they're fun. Let us know if there's anything you guys want to try. Thank you so much for joining us. We will catch you again.